Hello friends, this is Dhruvi. Welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, so if you guys are seeing my video for the first time, then do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And okay, so if you guys don't know me, then just follow me on my Instagram, you'll know me better, and do subscribe as I already said. Okay, so I used to get a lot of DMs asking me that which one is good, like doing Zumba or gym. So yes, here's a video for you guys, so watch this video till the end to get amazing tips and experience of mine. And yes, so without wasting time, let's go into the video. Okay guys, so for the ones who don't know me, I did Zumba for almost 6 to 7 years, and uske pehle I used to go for walking in garden, like normal natural walk. And now recently I started gym. Now for the ones who already know me and who have been watching these videos, yes, I know I was the same person who used to say I don't like gym, I am a Zumba person, I don't like gym and all those stuffs. But eventually I'll tell a story like what happened and how I shifted to gym. And yes, मैंने gym ज़्यादा नहीं किया है. It has hardly been 6 months. उसके पहले मैंने कभी भी gym नहीं किया था. तो yes, here's the story. Let's start. So eventually, first I am kind of person who always likes to be fit, and not fit than someone who likes to incorporate any physical activity in my daily routine. So either I go to play cricket with my friends, or else I go for skating, or else walking in the morning, like morning walks in garden. There are nearby a lot of gardens, so I used to go there. Eventually, like at the start when I was like 17-18, yes, tab bhi ki baat hai ye. After that my college timings were changed. It was morning college, so what I did, I joined Zumba. So at evening I used to go Zumba for almost 3 to 4 years. After that I shifted my timings. I started going to Zumba in morning. So I started with morning Zumba class. That was almost again for 2 to 3 years. And after that COVID happened. So in COVID what I did is I started exercising at home only. तो वो जो YouTube के वीडियोस होते हैं ना, वो वीडियोस देख देख के एक्सपेरिमेंट कर करके मैंने बहुत सारे वर्कआउट ट्राई कर लिए खुद पे. And I did Zumba at home as well, like online class and all this, because I have always been a Zumba person. I never wanted to go gym. Then I was bored with Zumba, of course. Like when you do Zumba for so long time, I have a separate video explaining Zumba and aerobics and all those things. I'll link all those videos in the description box. In case you are interested, you can go and watch that. So yes, then what happened is that after Zumba, I was like, let's do something else. I started skating. After that it started raining and that stopped eventually, and I even stopped doing exercise at home as well. So everything stopped. And now it was like I wanted to start with something new. So I thought of doing swimming, because swimming was something which I didn't do anytime. And I thought I'll learn swimming and it will get something new to learn as well as something new in my daily routine. So when I was thinking to start swimming, everyone around me were like, Dhruvi mat kar, skin kharab ho jayegi, Dhruvi mat kar, skin kharab ho jayegi. And everyone was saying that. But then also I wanted to do swimming. So it wasn't about swimming, it was something I want to do different than my usual routine. So swimming था एक option, तो I went to nearby club जहाँ पे swimming होता है. तो I went there and I inquired about swimming and everything. But there after COVID they didn't started swimming classes, so that was dropped, of course. Then I went to another club that was also nearby my home. So I inquired there. There they were like कि non-members के लिए नहीं है, and that was also dropped. So after that when I went to that club, I saw their gym and I was like कुछ अलग ही करना है तो let's go for gym. It was never ever in my mind to join a gym, but since I went there, it was a prompt decision and I took a subscription of 3 months. because I didn't wanted to waste my money. If I don't like gym, I didn't wanted to go for a year and waste my money. So I thought 3 months are enough. 3 months का ले लेते हैं, because 1 महीने का लेना कुछ फायदा नहीं है. तो अगर पसंद आ गया तो 3 months are fine. तो मैंने 3 months का ले लिया. And after that I started with gym and I started loving gym as well. Like, that doesn't mean I don't like Zumba, but I started liking gym as well. So it goes and goes on, and I started continuing with gym. So this is how it all happened. And reason I explained is that because in my tons of videos, tons of times I have said that I am not a gym person. I don't like gym. I like Zumba. That's why I go for Zumba and blah 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 blah. But people change, thinking change, time change, everything change. So yes, even I did change. Like, yes, so I thought to try something new and I tried that. Now the question which many people ask me is that Zumba is good or gym is good. So I'll answer that. So basically both are great, I would say that. But if you are a beginner, if you are someone who are starting with workout and starting with exercising, then you should opt for Zumba. If you are a girl, see, I am a girl, I am a female, and I will tell my experience and something related to female. And if you like dance, you could definitely go for Zumba. I'll explain you the reason. Gym is something where you have to be dedicated and you have to go by your own self. Zumba is as similar to dance class, and their teacher, trainer, like Zumba trainer, your friends and everyone. So it becomes little more easy to attend a Zumba class than compared to a gym. So if you are a beginner and if you are starting with working out and exercising, go for Zumba. But if you are beginner than that as well, like कभी भी कुछ भी नहीं किया है, ना Zumba ना exercise, I would say go and start with walking in the garden. Because अगर वो आप नहीं कर पा रहे हो डेडिकेशन लेके, तो आप कैसे Zumba या जिम जा पाओगे? Because start with that. At least for 15 days, go to your nearby garden. उठो, खुद से डेडिकेशन लो, खुद से मेहनत करो and फिर जाओ. See, walking, Zumba, gym, ये इतना टायरिंग नहीं है जितना डेडिकेशन है. To be dedicated to what you think. Like, जो भी सोचा है वो करना. सुबह जल्दी उठना है या तो शाम को घर से निकलना. Whatever time is suitable for you. तो वो ज़्यादा टफ है, वहाँ जाके तो होने ही वाला है. तो just try something else at home which is less expensive compared to Zumba and gym. Because अगर आप ऐसे सोच रहे हो कि एक बार Zumba में पैसा भर दिया तो I will definitely go, ऐसा नहीं होता है. वो 1-2 हफ्ता जाता है, लेकिन after 3rd week you get tired and फिर वो eventually नहीं होता है और वो money भी waste हो जाता है. तो अगर आप एकदम फर्म हो कि आप जाओगे तो ही ऑप्ट फॉर अ Zumba और अ जिम, देन ओनली पे फॉर दैट. सो अगर दोनों में से कंपैरिजन है, देन गो फॉर Zumba. So Zumba is something cardio, which is only cardio. Gym is combination of cardio and strength workout. So if you are overweighted, and if you see overweighted as in if you want to lose like 10-15 kgs, like more than that, then go for Zumba, because cardio is something which helps you to lose weight faster. Then strength workout helps you to build your body, to give shape to your body. जितना मुझे नॉलेज है उतना I'll say. तो मैंने तो यही सीखा है और यही जाना है कि कार्डियो लूज वेट करने में हेल्प करता है एंड स्ट्रेंथ वर्कआउट बॉडी को शेप देने में हेल्प करता है. तो मेरा वेट एज सच तो कभी बढ़ा ही नहीं है, बिकॉज आई वॉज द पर्सन हु लाइक टू हैव any of the workout in my daily routine. But when I want to lose 2-3 kgs, I go for cardio continuously, because cardio definitely helps you to lose weight. But once your weight is loosed like 4-5 kgs, after that you can go for strength workout, and their gym helps you for your strength workout to give perfect body shape and everything. So if you want to lose hardly like 5-6 kgs and give shape to your body, you can definitely go for gym. It is good. Like gym ऐसी चीज है ना कि हर किसी को पसंद नहीं आती है. इट्स समथिंग ईदर यू लाइक इट और यू डोंट लाइक इट. वो मिडिल का कुछ नहीं होता है. Zumba is something you'll like it because if you like to dance, you like music, you'll like it, you'll enjoy. So it helps you to be consistent for more time. Because if you tell me, अगर मैं देखूँ आज से like 8 to 9 years पहले, if someone could have told me that you go for gym, मैं definitely bore हो जाती. But since I have done Zumba for so many years, it has been in my routine कि मुझे रोज का कुछ ना कुछ तो physical activity चाहिए ही चाहिए. So I am liking gym, ऐसा मुझे लगता है. तो आप आपका देख लो. Everyone has a different body tendency and everyone has a different opinion and different thing. So you analyze your own self कि आप क्या कर पाओगे. And I would say start with Zumba and then go for gym. That would be my opinion. But if you want only body shape and 4-5 kgs lose करना है, then you can definitely go for gym. But I will warn you, gym हर किसी को पसंद नहीं आता है. अगर आपको पसंद आ गया then well and good. अगर नहीं पसंद आ रहा है फिर भी don't waste your money. Just go continuously and complete that 2-3 months का जो भी subscription आपने लिया है. No doubt 1 year का subscription सस्ता मिलता है हर जगह पे compared to 3 months, 1 month या 6 months. But फिर भी go for lesser month if you are not sure. Yes, that was all. Like एक cardio है और एक cardio plus strength workout है. So starting में doing only cardio helps you. वो depends on how your brain functions. तो उस हिसाब से सिलेक्ट करो आपको क्या लेना है. दोनों ही अच्छा है, दोनों ही हेल्प करता है वेट लूज करने में. एंड आई हैव अ सेपरेट वीडियो, डज Zumba help you to lose weight? If you want, you can watch that video as well. I'll link that in the description box. तो in short दोनों हेल्प करता है. Yes, अगर बॉडी शेप चाहिए तो जिम ही ज्वाइन करो. Zumba हेल्प नहीं करेगा बॉडी को शेप देने में. Yes, that was all. I hope this video was useful, helpful and something interesting. Do hit like to this video and do let me know in the comment section if you have any such questions or any such videos which you want me to do. Yes, that was all for today. Do subscribe to my channel. Do click on that bell icon so you'll get notified each time I upload a new video. That was all. Do follow me on my Instagram. Yes, bye bye. See you in next video.